Step 1. Come over to youtube.com where you can find different videos and can earn money online by just watching YouTube videos. I want you to click on any of these videos, and once you open a video just like this one, I want you to make sure that you watch at least a minimum of 30 seconds of the video so that you can earn anywhere between $5 to $50 for each YouTube video you watch. Now, I know that you guys love making money by watching YouTube videos, so I searched for the legit and highest paying websites to make money online by just watching YouTube videos, and I found 5 best websites for this, where you can get paid anywhere between $5 to $50 for each video you watch, and if you use all 5 websites, then you would be making $1,500 a day. Starting with the first website, I will reveal the name of this website in a minute, but as you can see, here you have many different ways to make money online. You can take paid surveys, you can watch video, you can visit different websites, and much more. Even if you refer someone to this website, they will pay you for each referral you bring to their website. But we are here for watching videos, so you can simply come to the top of this website. And here, you can register yourself using your email address, creating your password, and selecting the country you are from. Then just check on this box and click on Register Now button. Now the name of this website is creationsrewards.net. And the reason why I have included this website to my list is because they are here since 2000, and if they were fraud or some kind of scammers, they would have disappeared in 2001, but they are still here in 2022. So, they are the legit ones, and the good thing about this website is that they will pay you $5 as a sign-up bonus for completely free, which is just awesome. So, once you start earning money on this website, you will get points whenever you complete watching a YouTube video, and later you can redeem those points in real money to your PayPal account. Or, if PayPal is not available in your country, you can simply use Amazon gift cards and Walmart gift cards to withdraw your earnings. And the good news is that you only need 1,000 points to withdraw $5 from this website, which is really very easy. So just come over to creationsrewards.net, register yourself, and start earning money by watching videos. So the second website is u-cubiz.com. So this is already ucubiz.com. As you can see here, over 900,000 members are joined on this website. And this website is here since 2007. That means they are here for more than 15 years, which shows that they are legit website, and you can definitely make good amount of money working with them. You can basically earn money online by viewing different websites, completing simple surveys, and more importantly watching videos. And over 20,000 payments already sent out to the people from all countries around the world. So once you start earning money on this website, you can cash out your earnings in your PayPal account. And if PayPal is not available in your country, you can withdraw your money using different cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, and many more. So to start making money, register yourself by clicking on Sign Up Free option on top right corner of the site, and it will take you to this page where you just have to fill in some information like your email ID, create your password, your full name, create your unique username, choose your gender and date of birth. And in country box, you can see that this website is available in all countries around the world. But for our future videos, comment down below your country name so that I can make more videos for you. Now in this box, you can simply type YouTube, and you can easily register on this website. Now the bonus tip is that, if you refer someone to ucubiz.com, they will pay you 15% of your referrals earning for lifetime, using which you can start to earn passive income online. Okay, so the third website and the most paying website is this one on your screen. Here you will find different ways to make money, like there are plenty of consumer surveys to complete, games to play, and many apps to try which will pay you real money. And of course, you can make the most amount of money by just watching videos here. So, if you scroll down a little bit, you will find that you can get paid up to $50 by just watching YouTube videos using this platform. And you can get paid up to $100 for each task that you complete on this website, which is really very awesome. Before we move further, like this video and give it a big thumbs up. Okay, so the name of this third website is cashkick.com. This is one of the best websites to make money online watching videos. You just have to sign up to CashKick, review offers and complete them. For example, watch different videos available, and just collect your earnings from the site. So, just come to the top of this website and register yourself using your PayPal, your Facebook, your Google, or your email ID. Registration process is very simple, so I am gonna skip this part. Once you log into your account, this is how your dashboard will look like. And after you earn some money on CashKick, you can simply click on this cash icon on the top of this website. It will take you to this page where you can just click on withdrawal, and you can withdraw your earnings from here. You only need $10 to withdraw your earnings on this website, which as I showed you, is very easy to earn. Also, if you want, you can refer people to this website who would love to make money online. And you will get 25% of their earnings for lifetime. You just have to copy your link by pressing this copy link button. You can start to share your link with your friends and family, and you will start to make pure passive income. Now the fourth website on our list is called FusionCash.net. So this is already FusionCash.net. And before I show you how this website works, I want you to scroll down till the bottom of this website and you will find that this website is also here since 2005, which means that this is also the legit website to start making money online. Now, the good thing about this website is that they do pay you to sign up for a free account. As you can see here, they will give you a $5 sign-up bonus for completely free once you register yourself on this website. And after you register, all you have to do is confirm your email address and complete a brief survey once you log into your account. So just click on Get $5 button right here and register yourself on Fusion Cash. You just need to create your unique username, fill in your email, create your password, confirm it, enter your zip code, and just hit register button under here. Once you're logged into your account, you can earn money by watching videos on the site. And if you want to, you can also maximize your earnings by completing other offers like completing different tasks, downloading mobile apps, playing different games, referring this website to your friends and family, and much more. So just come over to FusionCash.net and start making money from today itself. Now before moving on to the last website, subscribe to my friend's YouTube channel, Finance Girl. She is uploading new and working make money online methods. I will leave a link to her channel in the description of this video. Okay, so as you can see on our fifth website, people are making over $1,500 a day, over $3,000 a day, and even more than $6,000 in just one day. All these people are from different countries around the world. As I keep changing the pages, the flags keep changing, which means that this website is available for most of the countries, and you can make good amount of money every single day. And there are many different payment methods available on this website, for example PayPal, Payeer, Coinbase, RTM Perfect Money, and many more. So the name of this website is called bucksinside.com. As you can see here, you can get paid every 10 seconds, which is the good thing about this website, because you can just watch a very short 10 seconds clip and you can get paid. And the second thing I like about this website is that you can cash out instantly once you reach the $2 limit. So you can easily earn money by watching different video ads on Bucks Inside, and you can withdraw your money once you earn $2, which will take you even less than 5 minutes. And as I showed you before, you have different payment methods to withdraw your earnings, so this website is definitely for you. Now the registration process on this website is a bit confusing, so pay close attention. Just come over to register on top right corner and click on that. That's gonna take you to this page where you have to create your username, type in your email ID, select your currency in here, select your payment method, type in your birth year. Then check on this box, I am human, turn on this button to a yes, and just simply click on register. After that, you can log into your account and start making big money online. That's it for today. Like the video, and to make even more money online, click on the right video showing on the screen.